How to turn off the password for the App Store. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to turn off the password for the App Store. Turning off the password requirement for the App Store can make downloading apps and making purchases faster since you won't need to enter your Apple ID password every time. However, it also reduces security, so only do this if you're sure your device is safe. You can still use Face ID or Touch ID for extra security if needed. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone from your home screen. Now scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This section manages restrictions and password requirements for purchases. Here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now turn the toggle on for Content and Privacy Restrictions to access more options. Then tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Here you will see different settings for purchases. Select the option Don't require to stop your iPhone from asking for a password when downloading apps. Now go back to the main settings page and scroll up. Tap on your Apple ID displayed at the top. Here, tap on Media and Purchases. Now, tap on Password Settings to adjust password requirements. Turn the toggle off for Require Password so purchases and free downloads no longer need one. You may be asked to enter your password once to confirm the change. After that, go back to Settings and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to continue. Here, turn off the toggle for iTunes and App Store under Face ID Settings to make sure password prompts are disabled. Now go back and open the App Store. You can search for any app or game, for example, Discord, and tap Get to download it without entering your password. Then try searching for more apps like Disney Plus and tap Get. Now your iPhone will no longer ask for a password every time you download an app. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.